Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another software for you. This one is called AI Songs, and this one is by Reverb, my friend, and in a nutshell is the world's first artificial intelligence powered text to song creator that enables you to transform your text in or lyrics into captivating musical compositions without any technical skill or marketing acumen, and you can do this in just 3 clicks. And this music that is created by converting text to song will definitely be sold on Spotify or any of the other streaming platforms. Okay, so that means you write a script, you can go to ChatGPT and create a text on whatever songs you desire, and then input it to this AI, and it's going to actually convert it into a song that you can stream online and make money, and you can sell this to anyone who is actually streaming music, and definitely that will give you the opportunity to make up to $378 per day, and you don't need any prior technical skills, you don't need any marketing music creation skills, because the AI does the whole thing for you. At any point you decide to get a copy of this, and the first link below in the description area, that link will take you to the amazing bonus for the phone where you purchase this product. If you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. My name is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to help anyone who is looking to know how to make money online, use the best products out there, software products that are going to help you make that decision, and of course make money for you. Okay, now if you click at any point that first link below in my description, it will definitely bring you to the bonus page of mine, which is exactly this. You can grab a copy using this link or any of the other links scattered all over this page, and when you do, it will take you to this sales page where you are going to find a similar button that is going to take you to my Warner Plus account where you buy this product. If you click this link, it will take you to the Warner Plus account of mine where you buy this product, and after your purchase, under your purchase history, you are going to find a page that looks like this. This button will give you access to AI songs, and this one will give you access to the amazing bonuses that I have for you, which are these. And if you stick with me, I'll show you all this before the end of this review, and I will also show you the very software dashboard itself and play this video so that you see exactly how it works. Okay, now let us take a look at the detailed look at the very sales page so that you see what you have here. Like I said, it is the world's first artificial intelligence powered text to song creator that enables you to transform your text or lyrics into captivating musical compositions without any technical skill or marketing acumen. And you can only do this in just 3 clicks. You can offer song creation services on top platforms and make a cool passive income, which is true. You create your own AI generated songs with just 1 click. Easily upload your songs and charge top dollar for selling them to a wider audience, and you have easily upload your songs and sell them to anybody you want. You can use these songs to attract more eyeballs, make 10 times more appealing videos, and crush your completion, as this is very good for affiliate marketing. Find all your expensive tools and services once and for all, and you can sell them back to more fees and pay for expensive music platforms, and you get $280 off if the technology doesn't work for you. And because you need no hidden fees and no extra expenses, nothing to download, install or customize. You just get started in seconds using the AI, and you have 30-day money back guarantee. That's exactly what this is about. The other ones will be just for us to go through the sales page, which I believe you are going to do at your companies. Step 1 is to purchase the product using the first link below in my description area. Step 2 will be, now you pick your preferred artists from the huge list available and get one of the fast-paced rockets to success. Okay, and then step 3, you are ready to go. Boom, you are done. Just to use this program music tracks for you and for your clients, and see great loads of dollars flowing into your pocket. Okay, so that's in a nutshell what this one is offering you. And here are some of the amazing beta testers testimonials that we have here, and you can see this one arrive, and then you will be able to stream this very music you create with these AI songs on different platforms, streaming platforms. And you know what that means? Anytime somebody watches your listen, you will definitely make money. And there are other sites where you can upload your songs. Anybody who clicks on them, take a click, everything is loaded. I mean, it's one, because I mean, going forward, a video is the best thing you can do. And when you produce a song, and you can see everybody is going, insane with songs these days. And if you go to TikTok, you can do, it's so flexible, you can do a lot of things with this very apparatus, and that I can show you, okay? So you see that your companies will be able to have a look at all of this, because we wouldn't want to waste a lot of time going through what I know you are going to come to, and of course review yourself. But in any case, you have to do a little bit of this, and then we can jump to the pricing. This is exactly Drake, worth 250 million. This is Sheeran, worth 200 million. You have Eminem, 230. You have also Nick Jonas, $70 million. These are guys who are actually making money using music, and you can be just one of them. Now that you have TikTok, you have all the social handles where you can play and get the audience, and of course get the followers that is going to make you money on a monthly basis, okay, because of views. So you can integrate this into your social networks, and you know that when you get up to 10,000 followers on TikTok, Instagram, about even Facebook, definitely you stand to the chance of making money, as long as you play this music that you create and people watch it. They pay you for the views, so you can do a lot with this very instrument. And I mean, if you just think about it, put it out there, get the views, get paid for your views. So I mean, that's a lot. So in any case, I will leave that decision for you, and we'll go from there. For now, what we do is exactly to take a look at the very, very dashboard area, and then I play the video for you so that you see. This is the dashboard, AI songs. This is where you generate the songs itself. AI song maker, this is where you make the song. And AI music generator, AI marketplace. Visit my website, general setting, logo, Filecoin, extensions, language, SEO manager, email manager. Everything is loaded here, because when people come to watch these things, you can always collect emails. It has autoresponder, it has everything, and you will go through the training when you get it. That's the first thing you do. In any case, since I have not gotten access to the review access of this product, so I don't have direct access to the members area for now, but what I will do is to just play this video for you, and then we'll go back to talk about the pricing and then the bonuses, okay? digital products and teach you and show you how to actually make money online. Now this is my bonus page. Like I said before, you'll be able to find the very pricing on this page, and the front end goes for $17, and this will give you access to this software where you will do the magic. And you have also the OTO number 1, which is the unlimited, goes for $67, which means everything is unlimited with this, which is advisable to get if you buy this for a price of visa of $17. And then where you have the OTO number 2, which is the one for you, it goes for $197. OTO number 3 is the AI song automation, goes for $37. Everything is automated, integrated with leads collection, and everything is integrated in this very automation. That means you do it once and then you realize and see money roll into your pocket. Now you have the OTO number 4, AI songs plug and play, $97. You have OTO number 5, AI songs fast track profit, goes for $67. OTO number 6, which is the infinite traffic, goes for $97, which means you get half traffic from this very the vendor of this product, the creator. You have OTO number 7, which is this AI songs agency, it goes for $67. OTO number 8, which is AI song reseller, goes for $97. That means you can resell this product as if it's your own and keep the profit across the entire funnel. And you have OTO number 9, AI song income multiplier, goes for $47. OTO number 10, the white label, goes for $297. That means you can rebrand this product and just use another logo you want, your name, and be able to launch it at any time you want, and as if it's your own. Okay, so you have the level to do anything you want with this product. That's amazing. Okay, now we'll go on the benefits, which we have already gone through. Now let me show you the amazing bonuses that I have for you. My bonus number 1 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, which is crazy tutorial that can teach you how to do so. Here you have access to the bonus number 2, which is how to create full professional website, which you can sell in Fiverr or Upwork or any of the other freelancing platforms. You have also the bonus number 3, how to rank any site on page number 1 in Google, which means the website that is going to be created for this, where you stream your songs on your personal level. If you don't want to do so at Shopify or Amazon Music and all the rest of them, you can always know how to actually get this ranked on Google page number 1, and you know exactly what that means. That means you get more eyeballs on your songs and your products and your affiliate links that are embedded in the banners on this site. I mean, the opportunities are enormous. Now you have OTO number, the bonus number 4, the commission toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools that you can choose from in order to perform one task or the other online, including image editor, video editor, background remover, link sharpeners, anything you want, name it. You have 1,000 links that will cover one thing or the other online for you. And my last bonus here will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, which means an automation system that is going to teach you how to automate a program that will bring you daily income in commissions, depending on what you put out there. Okay, so that's basically what you have. At any point you click this link when you arrive here, first taking the first link below in my description area. Like I said, it's going to take you to the sales page where you find a similar link that is going to actually give you access to this very opportunity, which is AI songs. Let's see if we can locate any link so that we don't make any mistake. This is going to be one of them. Just hold on this one. This one, if you click it, it will take you to my Warrior Plus account where you buy this product. After purchase, under your purchase history, like I told you before, you find a copy of this AI songs that you have purchased using this green link, and this link below blue is going to give you access to these amazing uses. And if you actually buy through my link, I have another major page of bonuses that I'm going to send to you by email upon request. That one will blow your mind, and it will be very incentivizing your knowledge online on how to make money. You have ebooks, you have chat bot mastery, you have affiliate marketing mastery, you have everything contained in this 10 bonuses I have for you, which is going to be sent to you by email. So at this point, we will come to the end of this very review. I will come back to you in the next 9 minutes night on Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, it's goodbye.